In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize email conversations in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First off, the foundation of organizing your email conversations in Pipedrive starts with the sales inbox. To access it, simply navigate to the Pipedrive platform and look for the sales inbox option on the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where all your email interactions come together. Once you're in the sales inbox, you will notice an array of emails. To make this process smoother and more efficient, it helps to narrow down your list. Look for the filters located at the top right of the page. There, you'll see options that let you sort through your emails by various criteria, such as follow-up status, date range, participants, visibility, or even custom labels that you might have already created. Selecting the right filters can significantly enhance your ability to focus on what's important. Now that you've filtered your emails, it's time to take action on them. To do this, you'll want to select the emails that you need to work on. You can do this by checking the boxes next to one or multiple emails that stand out to you. Once you've made your selection, look up to the top of the action bar. This is where all the magic happens with bulk actions. Using this action bar, you can do several things to get your email conversations organized efficiently. One of the first options you might consider is linking these email threads to specific deals, leads, or projects. This step is critical because it helps keep all communications connected to the relevant sales pipeline, ensuring you can follow up seamlessly. Another handy feature is the ability to apply color-coded workflow labels. For example, you might want to categorize emails as hot, pending, or billing. This visual cue can really speed up your workflow. You can quickly identify which emails require your immediate attention and which ones can wait. Additionally, the action bar gives you the flexibility to mark messages as read or unread. This is particularly useful if you're managing a high volume of emails and want to keep track of which conversations you've already addressed. If you're finding that your inbox is getting a bit cluttered with old threads, Pipedrive also allows you to archive these emails. Archiving can help clear out the noise so you can focus on the conversations that truly matter. Lastly, for those emails you deem unnecessary, don't hesitate to use the delete option. This helps in maintaining a cleaner inbox and allows you to prioritize your time effectively. To recap, organizing your email conversations in Pipedrive is all about utilizing the sales inbox. Start by filtering your emails, selecting the ones you need to act on, and then using the bulk action features. Whether it's linking to deals, adding labels, or managing your inbox with read-unread status, these steps will help streamline your communication process. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video,